guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today for you all, I have a product that I'm going to show you all. I'm also going to be testing out this product, and then I'll give you guys my opinion on what I think about it. Now this one is for the Aobosi electric juicer. Now I know a lot of you are into juicing, and now is such a good time to juice, especially with everything that's going on. Drinking a lot of fresh juice helps to boost your immune system, and it has so many health benefits. Depending on what fruits you juice, you would get different health benefits from it. So let me start by opening the box up. So I'm going to be taking out all of the parts. Here we have a cup. We have two cups. So we'll have a pulp cup. So this will be our juice cup. Set that aside. Then we have a pulp cup that will collect the pulp as it comes out. This is the auger part. Okay. So I'll show you guys how to set it up, and then we'll test it out. Okay guys, so now to put this machine back together, so I have this first part. You're going to take this and you're going to take your auger head and you're going to go in like that. So the next part that goes in is this cup. You just want to line it up and it will go right in. And then you're going to take the end cap and we're going to close it. So when you put that in, take your wrench, line it up. Because if you're having problems, you want to use the wrench, line it up and then turn it. And once you turn it, that's locked into place. So you go clockwise to open this and you go counterclockwise to close it. But if you're having problems, make sure and use this wrench. So what I'm going to do now is this needs to go into the machine. So to put this in, you're going to turn it to your left. So it's gonna face away from you. Then it goes in, turn it upright, and it locks into place. You see how easy that was? And then we have this tray that goes on the top here. So it just slides right in. Okay guys, so once you have that set up, you put in this is your temper that you would use to push down the items. Now this part is small, so we'll need to cut up whatever fruits or veggies we're using, unless it's straight. Okay guys, so here we have the juice cup and then the pomace container. This is where all the residue from the juicing process will fall into, and the one that's closer to the machine, the juice will go into. So I'm going to plug on my machine. Let me just turn the machine so you guys can see the on-off button before I turn this on. This is your on-off button. It's a switch up and down, very basic. You guys see how easy this machine was to assemble? So guys, I have some items here that I'm going to be juicing for you all, and it's going to be something that's going to help with your immune system, help boost your immune system. And I have carrots, ginger, and orange. I have 2 cloves of garlic, and I have lemongrass. I'm going to make a very simple yet delicious drink that you all can try at home, and I'm sure a lot of you all may have these ingredients at home. Now if you wanted to add some wheatgrass to this recipe, if you had it, of course, that would be such an awesome ingredient to add. Unfortunately, I don't have access to wheatgrass at this time. But when you're using this machine, you want to use items with high fiber so the machine works better. So guys, I want to talk to you all just about some pointers about using a juicer, or this juicer in particular. So 1, it can extract fruits and vegetables. 2, it's slow masticating at 80 RPM, no heat buildup, so less oxidization. The juice is going to be fresher and the flavor will be better. 3, it can perfectly separate juice and pulp, extracting higher purity juice and preserving high nutritional value. 4, the reverse function to avoid anything that's stuck, and it helps you with cleanup. 5, the parts are detachable and made of high quality Triton food grade anti-oxidization materials, which are BPA free and easy to clean with the bonus brush that you received. 6, the small mouth design to put ingredients to prevent your hands from getting injured. because if it's too big and you're tempted to put your hands in there, so the small mouth design is going to prevent that. And it's easy to install with no complex steps. You guys saw that I installed this and how easy it was to put together. Now all we have to do is actually use the machine, which I'm so excited for. So all I have to do is turn on my machine and start putting my fruits or veggies in. Okay, so I'm gonna start by putting in a few pieces of carrots in here, and then I'm gonna turn on the machine right at the back here. And you want to use your tamper, push down on that. Wow, that is working really well, guys. I'm gonna go in with a piece of ginger next. You just have to put some force on it to make sure you get those items to go down. And you see how the pulp is coming out right here on this end. Let's try the lemongrass. Yes, you see you're getting the juice from the lemongrass, which is really, really important. So you're getting that fresh juice. We're not boiling it, we're not steeping it, but this juice is going to be so fresh and delicious. And that's the last of it there. I'm just gonna let the machine run until everything comes out. Remember guys, if anything is stuck, you have that reverse function. Let me show you all. I'm gonna stop the machine and I'm gonna press the knob right where the on off switch is. Look at the auger head and you'll see it going the other direction. So you see it's going the other direction. That's if you have anything that's stuck. So that's how that works. And this is the regular on button. So this is finished. Our juice is ready and now I'm really excited to give this a taste. So guys, look how super easy this was to use. And I can tell you, the pulp is dry. Look at the lemongrass pulp. It's dry. It took all of the juice out of that lemongrass, and the ginger, look at the ginger, it's dry, so it extracted all of the juice, even the... Okay guys, so now that the juice is finished, I'm going to go in with some turmeric powder. And we call turmeric powder saffron powder in Trinidad, guys, and we're just going to give that a mix. This is just going to add some extra health benefits to our juice. See this? Wow. Wow guys. This tastes really amazing. Now for me, I like the strong ginger flavor. But if you didn't want it that potent, I would just use one piece of ginger, depending on the flavor you want. I could do with some more lemongrass in here too. So play around with the recipe and you'll know if you like it or if you don't. But to me, this is a great drink for you all to try. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Give this drink a try and let me know what you think. Thank you guys. So guys, I want to show you all how to disassemble this. So you have the top piece. So to get this out, you need to press this button right here. Then it turns and then you pull it out. Okay, so we have this part that came out. If it's really hard to turn to get out, you're going to take this piece, line it up, turn it, and it opens. And all you have to do is use the brush that was provided to help you clean this. And pull the overhead out. And then all you have to do is go ahead and wash your pieces individually. And that's it. It's so easy to take apart. And here we have the pulp. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this review slash demo of using this juicer. The juice tasted absolutely amazing. You guys saw how dry the pulp came out, really easy to disassemble and to assemble. So if you guys are interested in owning a juicer, which I highly recommend because juicing is so healthy for us and we get all of the health benefits from those fruits. And make sure if you're using organic, you can leave the skin. If you're not, I suggest taking the skin off. So if you guys want to make this purchase, the link to purchase this will be down in the description box. You have to click that little down arrow for the description box to open up. In there you will find the link to purchase this item. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me your comments down below if you make this purchase. Also leave me a comment letting me know what you think. And if you have one of these already, let everyone else know how much you love it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!